Okay, so today we'll discuss about types of cyber attacks. Okay, so here we all are know about cyber attacks. Anybody having idea about cyber attacks? How many types of cyber attacks are there? Anybody? Okay, so first one is your malware attacks. Malware attacks, what is malware attacks? Anybody having idea about malware attacks?
Malware is a malicious software which can be uploaded to
Okay, it
any
is the
device
one
and
type of software designed to harm or
Trojan
exploit.
horse. Yeah.
Yes, computer systems happen without the user's knowledge or consent. Means without the user's knowledge or consent, they will attack. Yes, so it is the short for malicious software. Is any software designed to harm or exploit computer system, often without the user's knowledge or consent. So here, what are the impacts is that like data breaches, financial loss, and system disruptions. So here, what are the prevention? Here, keep software and antivirus. Which antivirus we are using that may be up to date. We have to use. Then avoid downloading files from the suspicious sources and educate users about the dangers of clicking attachment. Okay, these are the prevention of your malware attacks. Okay, then second one is your social engineering attack. Okay, what about social engineering attack?
Deceiving the user to and manipulating them
manipulating
to
the
gain
user
access of
to
their system.
Yes, yes. Okay, so here social engineering is the tactic of manipulating or influencing or deceiving a victim in order to gain control over a computer system or to steal personal and financial information. Yes, so here you see what are the impacts? Identity theft, yes, then reputational damage, data theft, and service disruption, and unauthorized access. So, what are the prevention? Here, keep software and firmware regularly updated and particularly security patches. That means we have to change our password. Yes, maybe within 2 months, 3 months, we have to change. We have to update it. We have to use updated softwares. Yes, and we have to give the we are using what we are saying biometrics types of security. We are having biometrics in our laptop also we are having what that touch screen we are having security. We have to give our thumb and any types of fingerprint we are giving. Yes, so here the impact is that identity theft. That means we are having some idea like ATM card or PAN card, Aadhaar card. Okay, then reputational damage, then data theft, service disruptions, and unauthorized access. Okay, then third one is your password attack. What about password attack?
Finding the passwords using various methods like dictionary, brute force, social engineering.
Yes, they are using different types of softwares to means we are using different types of systems like in your home personal systems is there, and even we are using in lab also we are having different types of computers, lots of means number of computers if we are using like cafe. Okay, so cyber cafe we are using. Okay, that time they are using different types of software to know our what passwords. Okay, so a password attack is an unauthorized attempt to gain access to a computer systems like network or account by trying various password until the correct one is found. Okay, often through the automated or manual methods. Okay, so here, what are the impacts? Okay, malware can lead to data breaches. Yes, we all know that malware is the one type of software which can lead to data breaches and unauthorized data and compromised sensitive data. So here, what are the prevention? Enable multi-factors, authentication, and using strong and unique password for your account. That's why we are giving our password like numbers, symbols, and uppercase, lowercase we are using. Then physical attack. What about physical attack?
can be damaging the systems or stopping the power supply.
That means physical devices. They want to damage our physical devices. Okay, like our CPU and server. They want to make damage. Okay, in a physical attack, an attacker gains physical access to a physical assets in the infrastructure system in order to damage, disable, steal, or use it in undesirable way. So here, impact is that physical assets are harmed, damaged, stolen, and disabled. So here, implement CCTV control physical assets and implement secure configurations. Okay, these things I think you all are know very well. I think so. That's why I'm going to speak. Then on-path attack. What about on-path attack?
Like man in the middle or something, like intercepting the messages,
Yes,
changing.
yes. Or manipulate data. Yes. So here, a on path attack refers to a type of network attack where an adversary intercepts, monitors, or manipulates data as it travels between two parties in a communication. Okay. That means if we are sending some data, that means it will, from sender to receiver, that time it will happen. So, leaked login credential, data manipulation, and online interaction. Okay, these are the parts. And prevention is avoiding submitting any sensitive information or any public Wi-Fi network unless they are protected by a secure virtual private network, that VPN.
Sir, hello,
Yeah, yeah.
hello, sir.
Tell- Yes.
Hello. Sir, actually, I got 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, okay. Actually, today we are discussing about attacks, cyber attacks. Okay, so here first one is your malware attack. What is malware attack? I think you all know very well. Malware is the malicious of software, is any software designed to harm or exploit computer systems and often without the user's knowledge and or consent. Okay, then what are the impacts are there and what we have to take prevention? Okay, so we are discussing about that. Okay, so here impact is data breaches and financial loss and system disruptions. And prevention is that keep software and antivirus programs up to date, avoid downloading files from suspicious sources, and educate users about the dangers of clicking attachment. Okay, same thing. Your second one is your social engineering attack. Okay, I will share this PPT after the class by WhatsApp. Okay, then social engineering is the tactic of manipulating, influencing, or devising a victim in order to gain control over computer systems or to steal personal and financial information. That is the social engineering attacks. Like we are using, social engineering means social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Insta, that type of. Okay, so here what are the identity theft, then reputational damage, data theft, then service disruption and unauthorized access. What are the prevention we have to take? Here, keep software firmware regularly updated and particularly security patches. The third one is your password attack. Okay, a password attack is an unauthorized attempt to gain access to a computer system, network, or account by trying various passwords until the correct one is found. Actually, they are trying. Okay, until the correct one is found. Okay, often through automated or manual methods, and they are using some software also to find out the password. Okay, so here, what are the impact? Like malware can, yes, malware can lead to data breaches and unauthorized data and compromise sensitive data. So, what are the prevention we have to take? Here, enable multi-factor authentication and using strong, unique password for your accounts. Same thing, physical attacks. Okay, in a physical attack, an attacker gains physical access to a physical asset in the infrastructure system in order to damage, disable, or steal, or use it any undesirable way. So, what impacts physical assets are harmed, damaged, then stolen, and disabled. And prevention is that impact CCTV control physical access, and implement secure configuration. Same thing on path attacks. Okay, a on path attack refers to a type of network attack where an advisory, yes, where an advisory intercepts, monitors, or manipulates data as it travels between two parties in a communication. Just leak login credential, data manipulation, and online interaction. And prevention is that avoiding submitting any sensitive information, any public Wi-Fi network, unless they are protected by a secure virtual private network VPN. Same thing, network attacks. What about network attacks? Anybody having idea about network attacks?
Gaining access or
DOS,
yeah,
distributed
DDoS.
update.
Yes. So here, a network attack is an attempt to gain unauthorized access to an organization network. Okay, within the objective of altering and destroying and stealing data or perform other malicious activities. Okay. So here, advisory impact your organization operations and lead to productivity, financial, and data loss. So here we have to install antivirus software, then create a strong password, and we are using firewalls or enforce security policies. Then last one is your application attack. Sorry, cryptography attack is that. Yes, application attack. Application attack means it is the malicious activities that target software or applications or programming code to exploit vulnerabilities and gain unauthorized access or disrupt system functionality. So here, impact is that rejecting operation to critical data theft and ransom to brand degradation, and prevention encrypt data, use parameterized queries, and practice secure coding. Same thing, cryptography attacks. What about cryptography attacks? A cryptography attack is a method. Yeah, yeah, tell.
Like
Decrypting
finding
a
a
key.
weakness in the code or cipher or protocols to hack into the system.
Yeah. What is cryptography? First, you tell.
Hiding of
The plain text
information.
converts to ciphertext.
Hiding our information. That means we have to give the code. Yes. So a
Information or
cryptography
data.
attack is a cryptography attack is a method for circumventing the security or cryptographic system by finding a weakness in a code, cipher, and cryptographic protocol or key management scheme. So here, data breaches and damaged reputation, financial losses. So here we have to use strong encryption, regularly update and patch your systems, train your staff. Okay, so these are the cyber attacks we are getting. Okay, so first one is your malware. Okay, then second one is your what? Second one is your social engineering attacks. Okay, then third one is your password attacks. Fourth one is your physical attacks. Fifth one is your on-path attacks, and sixth one is your networking attacks. Then seventh one application attack, and eighth one is your cryptographic attacks. Okay. Previous class, I already given one project. Yes, beginners for what about that project?
Sir, can you give
You
us a
all
basic
that?
outline, sir?
What?
Can you give us a basic outline of how to do the project basically? To
Yes.
build a simple.
Okay. So I will give different types of projects. Okay. Different types of project I have to give. Okay. So here I will give 10 cybersecurity projects for beginners. Okay. So like okay. So first one is your password manager. Okay, that means develop a secure password manager application that stores and generates strong unique password for various accounts, and implement encryption techniques to safeguard the password and encourage use to practice better password hygiene. And this project aim to reduce the risk of password breaches and enhance overall account security. This is the one type of project you uh, password manager. Then second one is your phishing awareness gap. Okay. Then third one is your IoT device security scanner. Then fourth one is your malware detection app, network traffic analyzer, then secure file encryption, cyber security quiz app, web application firewall, two-factor authentication, and social engineering defense simulator. Okay, these also projects are available. If you want to do, you can match. Okay, so
Sir, I have a question. So these
yeah,
projects you are showing us, if we
yeah.
complete any of these two, is it okay? Or the ones sent in mail in the order of beginner, medium, and advanced? Those
You
are the
see,
or these to be done.
yeah, I am just. I think your group is there now.
Yes, sir.
Making how many members in a group?
4.
4 members. That means how many students you are having now? 40. Am I
Oh,
right? 40.
yeah.
40, yeah, yeah. The 4 members. That means you have to make project. Yes, that means 4 members. Okay, I want the name of groups.
Um,
Each group I have to know.
I mean,
So
it
today
is
I will talk with sir about this. So we will. I think that we have to give the project means different types of project we have to give per group.
team you're saying.
Same project is what?
For every team, there should be a different project, is what you're saying, or
Yes, yes. I think yes. I'm saying like that.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it is good, I think.
Okay, sir. Please clarify and let us know in the WhatsApp group, or it can be in the mail.
Yeah, I will give the project name also in that group, and some PPT I have to send. And for Linux command also we are having.
Okay.
Yes, you all are know. So today we'll discuss some Linux commands. I think you
Yes, sir.
all are know very well about Linux commands. Okay, some of
Um,
projects are yeah.
can I
Tell.
speak
Yes.
about the projects that I have sent you in the mail? So we don't need to do that, right? You will give some other projects, right?
Hmm.
So no need to worry about the project that you have sent in mail, right? If I'm correct.
Yes. Actually, I want to give different types of projects for each group. Same project we are having now. That one project I already given. Yes.
Ah,
So you are having how many? Each group you are having 4 members.
yeah,
Yes. So
Yes,
that
sir.
means 10 groups are there.
yeah.
Yes.
So 10 groups will make different projects.
Ah,
Okay, sir.
sounds
So
good.
like each group
So
will be having one project.
Yes.
Okay.
So it
like
is good, I think. Same
the
project, what we will do?
the ones you have sent in the mail about the beginner
Sir,
projects.
but previously you have proposed like 3 projects. It's beginner, intermediate, and
Wigner,
then senior.
yes. So now I want to say like that. I will give for Wigner 10 projects. Okay, 10 groups will make.
Yes, sir.
Okay, different projects. Same thing, Arman's project. I will give 10 projects. Okay,
Right,
10
sir.
group, 10 different projects you mean to say.
different projects. I'm saying like that.
Okay, so
Okay,
each
can
group one project
you
only.
Hmm.
Each group one project.
Yeah, each group one project. I think it is good.
Okay.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
for 1 month, one
Yes, sir.
project, sir?
But what? No, within 1 month you have to make three. I think because within 1 month you have to complete now.
No, sir. They
No,
actually
sir told like
mentioned
within 2 months we have to make
2 months
three.
you have
Two or
to.
three.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Like
That
it's
means
like
within
for
one
one
month
month you have
only.
to, so it's like for
That
one
means
month you have to make one project. For 2 months it's 2 project, and for 3 months it's 3 project.
Yes, sir.
okay. Actually, I don't have idea about that. Okay, they are saying that for weekly I have to take 2 classes. That much only, and we have to give the projects.
Yeah,
Then
they
you
um
have to
about
make.
the 2 classes, sir. They
Yes.
also gave
Today
it.
I will clarify about this. Okay. Then we'll go for some Linux commands.
Can I speak
Yes.
for a moment?
What?
Can I speak for a moment?
Your voice is not audible. You have to tell
Hello?
again.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
So you guys want to give like another 10 projects, right? For beginners, and we have to select any one of them, or you gonna assign us?
I will give 10 projects. You see, and which one is your compatible, then you can make no issue for that.
Like
Sir,
you guys
we
gonna
have to choose it or you will assign.
I will give 10 projects. Okay.
Right,
Then
sir?
you see which one to you make, then you can.
Okay, sir.
so
Okay.
can so I wish if you can give us like a what the outcome should be like for a specific projects, what the outcome should be. It would be better for us to achieve it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is all.
One more thing, nothing, sir. Yeah, it's fine.
Like if you give us
Okay.
like a the specific project, what needs to be achieved, right? So we can make it happen instead of giving a pages of
Okay.
information.
Listen. First to listen. I already given one project. I will talk with your that authorities. If they are saying okay, if you want to give 10 projects to 10 group, then I will give. No, if they are saying that no, only one project is enough, then you will make that one. Which one I will give it. I was given.
Yeah,
Okay.
sounds
There
good.
any report, sir?
That you have to talk
Report
with
and
that.
all.
You have to talk with that authorities regarding
So
this.
what about
Okay.
documentation process and all?
Okay. Next class, I will tell. First, you have to give the time to verify these things today. Okay.
Right, sir.
First, I have to clarify. Yes, what they are having. This thing. Okay. So, okay. So first, we already discussed about cyber security attacks, and now we'll discuss about cyber fraud. Okay. So we are having different types of frauds like identity theft, then social media related crime, digital banking frauds, virus attack, and social engineering. Identity theft means what about identity theft?
Acting like the person you are not, impersonating somebody. And
Yes.
Using someone's
And
identity to do a crime.
okay, we are making different types of,
Please, sir,
for
give us
SIM card. Yes, we are making SIM card on different, using different identity. That is one type of identity.
right,
Yes
sir.
or no? Yeah.
Yes.
Then social media related crime. What about social media related crime? But
Imposing us
social
another.
media related crime is, it is common nowadays. Social media related crime. That means someone hacking our Facebook. Yes. Then your mail ID, they are hacking. Okay. And they are using fake
By
account
using
also.
of same password, with the help of that, they can aram se breach your whatever data is there. Like
Yes, yes.
whatever
Yeah.
common passwords is there, they
They
can
can
use
impose as other people and give out wrong information or something.
Yeah, for
that.
their blackmailing purpose they are using. Yes, social media
One
related
kind of
crimes and
social engineering, sir.
yes. Then digital banking frauds.
Sir,
What about digital?
OTPs, credit cards.
Yes, OTP credit cards and your debit cards they are using. Then virus attack.
hmm, sir, malware,
Yeah, ransom malware. These things are there. Then social engineering.
ransomware, adware, spyware. These are.
Yes. Then your social engineering.
So social engineering, sir, basically convincing someone with the uh,
Yeah, we already discussed about na social engineering.
right, sir.
Yep,
Right, sir.
these things. Okay. Um, this is your application. This is your network and on path attack, physical attack, password attack. This is a social engineering attack. Yes.
Sir, in
And
the
if you see
password
the,
attack, sir, I have a doubt actually. So, in the
yeah, sure.
password attack, basically, sir, we can use John the Ripper has the cat, these type of tools, right? And that
Yes, yes.
.txt, that text file, we can use to encrypt, and whatever password is there, we can crack that with the help of that.
What?
So, whatever text file is there, like whatever
You
password.
see, in cyber cafe, if you'll go, okay, some persons are there, they are using some software. Yes, when you will put your password, that means the background, मतलब backend. Yes, the password already, उसको क्या होता है कि वो already type होके वो रह जाता है, and they will take out that password also.
So,
What
sir,
type of tools
basically,
they are using?
sir, it's
Yes,
a type
yes,
of phishing scam,
yes,
right?
yeah, phishing scam. Okay, and you see, same thing in banking fraud also they are using that type of ATM card, ATM machine, they are also using that type of. Okay, so like this type of they are doing password attack. And your hobbies, okay, your interest, we are giving password like that. Okay, your name, your parents' name, okay, we are using that
Date
type
of
of
birth.
password now. We are giving yes or no. They are trying to know about no password by using these things. Okay, your favorite color, your favorite food, your favorite means your best friend. They are trying to open your password. Okay, so that's why we are giving unique type of password. That means we are using uppercase, lowercase numbers, and your what symbols we are using for unique password. Yes,
Yes,
that's why.
it's like creating strong password and weak password.
Yes. Now, if you want to give the password, then that type of notification is coming like you have to give 8 characters. Yes, नहीं तो
Yes,
8 the length we have to give.
uh,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Then your how cyber frauds happen. Fake account credit, then winning lottery SMS. We are getting different types of SMS. Yes, from Flipkart, Amazon, like that. Yeah, कि you win this type, this much of amount, and you win one cab. Like that, we have messages also coming in our mobile phones. Okay,
Sir, these are
lottery
basically
SMS.
sir, payload created. Yes.
Then account suspend. Okay, from banking also we are getting कि तुम्हारा account ये हो जाएगा. So you have to give your account number. Then you will get one OTP. You have to set OTP with us. That type of message also coming, and that type of fraud calls also coming. Okay, for KYC update, they will sharing some link, and when we will click that link, then our account may be black. Then SIM block SMS, तुम्हारा SIM block हो जाएगा like that. OLX. In OLX, we have know that OLX बहुत सारा fraud हो रहा है OLX में. ATM card block. Okay, this type of cyber fraud happen.
So this can also consider like social engineering attacks.
What?
Can these all are also considered like social engineering attacks?
Yes. Then here you see some examples already I am given. I'll given for some messages like that is coming. Okay, same thing you see. These are the example. Okay, then what we have to do, what we have to talk. Okay, so here never respond to message from unverified sources. Then you cannot win lottery without buying tickets. Yes, if you don't buying any type of ticket, then how you will win the lottery? Then never forward lottery or offer message to anyone. Okay, don't reveal personal information in social media. Then never download remote access apps such as TeamViewer, AnyDesk, and Android, etc. Then bank mobile companies can't block and any account services for 24 hours. Then counter your fear is ASMEC and police and BL. Okay. So this type of fraud nowadays is going on. Okay, I think you all know about Linux. What is Linux? Anybody?
It is a open source operating system.
Okay, this is the one type of system software, and this is the operating system. We all are know operating system is the system software. Yes, yes or no? So Linux is one type of operating system which is we are using free source. Okay. So Linux is a kernel and it is a free and open source and developed by the Linus Torvalds in 1991. In 1969, Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson invented Unix, and 1970, the C programming language was created by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so here in 1973, Unix was rewritten in the C language, and last one in 1990, in 1991, Linus Torvalds developed Linux kernel using C and assembly language. Okay, so what about kernel? कर्नल का काम क्या? What is the function of kernel?
It's
Anybody?
like the heart of the operating system. So it's like
Yes,
an interactive,
with the
interactive.
hardware and yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, so here the kernel is the core part of the operating system. It acts as the bridge, okay, between the hardware and the cell. It is the works like as a, it acts as a bridge. That means it will communicate to hardware and cell. Okay, so the kernel is the core part of the operating system, and it act as the bridge between the hardware and the cell. Okay, then we are using different types of Ubuntu, Parrot OS, Debian, Red Hat, Fedora, and Linux Mint we are using. Okay, so Linux distribution or distro is an operating system. It is a collection of the Linux kernel, desktop environment, GNU tools, and additional software. There are more than 600 Linux distros are available. Some examples are there like Ubuntu, Parrot OS, Debian, Red Hat, Fedora, and Linux Mint. Okay,
Sir, could we include Black Arch Kali? It's also
yes,
Linux.
yes, yes, yes. 600 is there. So we uh, yes, we can. No worry for that. Then we are having using some commands like ls command. We are using. What about ls command?
List.
It lists all the
List.
directories and files present in the current
Okay,
directory.
ls command. ls hyphen l.
To show in the list form,
It is showing the long list.
long list. Yeah.
Okay, ls hyphen l means long list. Okay. Then what about ls hyphen t?
It shows only long listing of directories.
Yes, that is with time. Okay, which time you created all these things. Okay. Then ls hyphen a.
Hidden files.
It will
It
show in the
displays
hidden
all the hidden
files.
files. The hidden files will
Yes,
start with a dot or a period.
yes. Just wait. subject. Okay, so here ls means your list directory contents. Yes, then cd command. What about cd command? By which changes the current directory. Okay, then pwd command, which display the present
Present
working
one, sir.
directory.
Present working directory.
Yes, then cat.
Yeah, that's
Set
all.
Okay,
up
what is
file.
the difference between, yeah, what is the difference between cat command and torch command?
Touch
So
creates the new
basically,
That
file.
shows the file.
Then
Cat just shows the contents of the file.
Okay, cat shows the contents of the file, but torch command, we are creating the blank file. Yes,
yes.
yeah. Cat means containers and display files. Echo command, which displays the arguments to the screen. Yes, where we are using echo command.
So Linux shell scripting.
Yes, that is Linux self-scripting. Then what about man?
Man shows the manual for any commands or any keywords.
Yeah, for manual, this is the means very important command, because if we don't know about any type of command, then we'll give the command like man, then we'll know about the commands. Yes or no? If I don't know about cat command, then I will give the command man space cat. Then
So
I
we
will
can use dash dash help also, like ls
yeah.
dash dash help. We can
You
use
see
it.
different types of commands are there, and that type of commands using for same function. Yes, lots of commands are there. Okay, so here exit command for exiting purpose, and clear command for clear the screen. Same thing here. You see ls hyphen l, that means long listing perma. Okay, so we will do these commands. Okay, all are having Linux, Kali Linux, and these things.
yes, sir.
Okay, then you see that commands and you have to practice this one. Okay. Then space command for display the next space. Then Q command for quiet purpose we are using. Okay. So here ls means list directory content, cd means changes the current directory, pwd means displays the present working directory, cat means contents and display files, echo means display arguments to the screen, then main means displays the online manual, then exit the cell or your current session, like exit command we are using, and clear the screen. Okay, these are the basic commands of your Linux. So here listing command. Listing command means ls command. Yes. So you see ls hyphen l. Okay. So you see here, given the example ls hyphen l. Here hyphen rw hyphen rw hyphen r hyphen hyphen. Okay. For permission purpose, we are using this one. Okay. So here you see this one is your permission. Okay. This one is your permission, and number of links is one here, and this is your owner name, Jason. Okay, Jason is your owner name. Okay, then the
So
users, please anybody please mute your mic. Okay, then group name is users. Okay, then number of bytes in the file, that is your 10400. And then your last modification time, that is your September 27, and the time also there. Then your file name is sales.data. Yes. So this is your ls-l. So here hidden files purpose we are using a command. Okay. So hidden file begins with a dot file. So you have to give dot. Okay, if you want to see the hidden files, before the hidden files, you'll it will begins with the dot format. Okay, so hidden files are not displayed by the default to show hidden files with ls. That means we have to use ls-a command. Okay, that is, and we also can use ls-l-a, ls-la, then ls-al also we can use. Okay, for long list and hidden file. Same thing, for slash directory at the rent is used for link, and star mark is executable. Okay. Then
Sir, sometimes if we directly use ls command in any of the like in documents, let's say in that command directory.
ls commands means you will see both directory and file.
Yes, sir. It will also show you, sir, dot file. Like it will in the files or
Hidden file. No. By ls command, we cannot see the hidden files. Okay.
Oh,
If we will give ls hyphen a, like ls hyphen al or la, then we'll see the hidden files and your long list. We can see.
okay, sir.
Okay. So without a command, we cannot see the hidden file. Not possible for us. Okay. So here also we can use ls hyphen latr. Okay. Hyphen t in the sense list files by time. Yes. Then r means reverse order. So we can use at a time all commands like ls hyphen latr. Okay. So hidden file also we can see that command. ls hyphen latr we can use at a time. Okay. Same thing, capital R also there. ls hyphen capital R. List files recursively we are using. Then tree command also we are using. Tree hyphen D, small d. Then tree hyphen capital C. Colorize output purpose we are using tree hyphen capital C. And list directory tree hyphen capital D. Only directory only. No files. Only directory. Okay, then ls hyphen small d list directory name but not contents. Okay, that means we have to see the directory which not having any type of contents. Okay, that means blank directory you can see. ls hyphen d small d. Same thing, listing files with color. That time we are using ls hyphen color. That means we have to see the colorized output. Okay, so these are the commands we are using in ls. That means here we have to use ls hyphen l, ls hyphen a, ls hyphen t, ls hyphen r, and ls in hyphen tree. That means ls hyphen capital D, ls hyphen capital C. Okay, lots of commands are there in listing. Okay, so these commands are there. You see. Uh, ls hyphen a, ls hyphen color, then ls hyphen d, ls hyphen l, ls hyphen r, ls hyphen capital R, ls hyphen small d. Okay. Same thing is there in this rn. Rn means remove purpose we are using rn command. Okay. That means we have to remove file in Linux. Okay, rn command also available. Then your mkdir. Mkdir means make the directory. If you want to make directory, that time we are using mkdir command. Okay, that means this command is used to create or empty folder in Linux. Same thing, rmdir. Rm means remove, dir means directory. Okay, remove directory. If you want to remove the directory, that time we are using rmdir command. Okay, this command is used to delete directory in Linux. Then cat command, we already discussed these things. Then your cp command in the sense for copy purpose we are using this command. Okay. mb commands for move purpose we are using mb commands. Okay, for rename which command we are using? If you want to rename your directory, if you want to rename your file, then what type of commands we are using in Linux?
CP.
What?
CP.
The move command
CP
only we
command.
can do the
Yeah,
control.
No, no, no. Only copy
Ah,
purpose we are using the CP command. Same.
You can also copy the content from one file to another file.
Yes.
Using move itself, we can like rename the file.
Yeah. RM command also. Okay. So these commands are available in Linux. Then, okay. Okay. Today I will talk with that authorities to about your project. Okay. So if they will say, okay, each group, if you want to give different types of project, then I will give. If no, only one project you have to do, then you will make that one project. Okay. And that what type of project I given? The project name?
One is security information and
Keylogger.
event management systems. Another is
No, no,
keylogger.
for beginner project. For beginner, I was given. Beginner.
Right now, like just before, it is password manager and some other 9 things.
Mm, just wait. See.
For beginner only, SIEM were given.
SIM, na?
yeah. And there are
SIM.
6 features to implement it, I guess, using Splunk or ELK stack.
Mm. Network monitoring system, that one is your advanced level. And the
Oh,
security information and event management. Yes?
that's a beginner one.
Beginner one. That it will take hardly 2 to 3 days, not more than that.
2 to 3 days, like implementing the features with the existing platform or creating a new platform.
What?
Like if you can see the PDF, they have given like 6 features, right? Like
Yeah.
centralized log management and the other things. Like
Uh-huh.
I'm wondering, like if we should implement it via existing platform like Splunk or any QRadar or something like that, or we need to create a new SIEM tool, but it will because it will take more than 6 to 7 months for a small team.
Okay, if you want to make, then you can no issue for that. Okay.
Sorry.
If you want to make, then you can. Okay. First, you see security information. You listen, first thing, security information and event management. Okay. First, you know about this projects, security information and event management, and how we will make. Okay. First, you have to see. Okay. And what about the information about this thing? I will share with you. Okay. Today night only regarding your security information and event management. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now I will share with you the PPTs. Okay. And today night I will give the information about that project by your WhatsApp. All are in a WhatsApp group, na? In WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Within that I will give. Okay. Okay. कोई शुरू किया है ये प्रोजेक्ट? Anybody?
I've done a bit of research to how to implement this.
Yeah.
I concluded
Okay.
like
Can
2
I get
platforms.
Can I get the name? Each group 1, group 2, group 3, like this.
I'm not sure they have been assigned a group numbers.
Oh, they didn't
Okay.
give us any group numbers as of now, sir. They just gave the details of the people who are in our group and stuff. So yeah.
I mean, if
Okay.
you look at the SIME project, like a beginner project, we can implement it via Splunk or ELK stack. I have taken into consideration of 6 features we have given, right? Centralized log format and something like that. 6 features. We can implement it via Splunk or ELK stack. If we use ELK stack, like both gonna take a resource intensive, so we're gonna make it in a VM. If we do it in our own host machines, it's gonna take because SIME machines, SIME softwares are resource intensive, and it's gonna lag your host PC. So it's better to implement it in a VM and try out stuff.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Okay. So now you can. Okay. So today I will give the information about the project. Anyway. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
what about
Thank
the
you.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
sir?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what
Tell
about the
anyone.
projects?
What?
What about
Yeah,
the 10
Harshit.
projects? You mentioned the 10 projects. What about
Yeah. Okay, I don't know that. I have to discuss with that authorities. If they will say, okay, if you want to give the different projects to different group, then I will. If they will ignore, then you have to make that one only. Which one I already given. That's it. Yes. Then you have to make that one.
Like, are you gonna teach anything about the SIME regarding
I
implementing the
already
project?
yeah. If that means you have to discuss among yourself how to make. Okay, you have to
did you
discuss.
create that same software or you want to use that existing software, sir?
Mate, hold on, listen to me.
Mm.
Like, you need to use existing software like Splunk or any other SIEM platforms like Onion Security, ELK Stack, or QRadar. As far as I done the research, Splunk and ELK Stack are easy to work with. Splunk is most preferable.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Okay.